How to build passive income in 2025. Start from zero and earn while you sleep. Have you ever dreamed of making money, even while you sleep? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that your account balance just went up without you working a single extra hour. Welcome to the world of passive income. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can build real passive income in 2025, even if you're starting completely from zero. Part 1. What is passive income? Let's start simple. Passive income means earning money that doesn't depend on your active daily work. Instead of trading your time for money, you build a system that earns for you, automatically. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it for some time, and later it gives you fruit for years. Examples: YouTube videos that earn through ads, affiliate links that generate commissions, digital products that sell 24/7. The goal? To create freedom. Financial freedom, time freedom, and peace of mind. Part 2. Step 1. Build a skill. Before you build passive income, you need a skill. 2025 is the year of digital skills. Learn things that can make money online, like video editing, copywriting, graphic design, AI automation, or YouTube channel management. You don't need a degree, just consistency. Spend 30 minutes daily on learning one skill, because that one skill can become the foundation of your entire passive income system. Part 3. Step 2. Choose your platform. Once you've learned a skill, choose your platform, the place where your income will come from. There are many ways in 2025: YouTube automation channels, affiliate marketing websites, digital product stores like Gumroad or Etsy, freelancing to fund your initial setup. Start small. Even one platform can change your life if you stay consistent. Part 4. Step 3. Automate and multiply. The secret to real passive income is automation. You can't do everything yourself. Use tools and systems that work for you, like AI video generators, social media schedulers, or email automation. Once your system starts earning, reinvest. Create more content, more products, and build a small team. That's how you multiply your results. Not by working harder, but by working smarter. Part 5. Step 4. Patience and consistency. Most people fail because they expect overnight success. Passive income doesn't work that way. You have to give it time, months of learning, creating, and improving. But once it starts working, you'll never look back, because at that point, your time finally belongs to you.